I was about to say that they are nice and friendly, these bees. And they are, they are. I'm a little bit close to their flight path. But in the next photo that you see, you'll see on the piece of slate that there are some dead larvae, some semi-mature dead larvae that they've pulled out. And that's what they've done there is what we call house cleaning. It's brilliant and makes me really happy that they do it. Because basically, if they left those dead, dying, diseased larvae in there, it potentially could affect the whole of the hive. So that's really, really good that they do that. Really, 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 really good. As you've seen, I filled them up with some food, with some syrup. I know some people will stop this time of year, and I personally prefer to carry on feeding syrup until they stop taking it. When they stop taking it, that's it. I won't give it. There's no point. But then what I'll do is I'll move on to fondant, which is very similar to what you might have on your top of your cake when you go and buy from the supermarket. That white thick stuff is similar to that, but it's specifically made so the bees can actually eat it rather easily. But we're not there yet, and I'm sure I'll do a video actually making some as well at some point. But yeah, nice. And they haven't stung me for a change. Good.